Hi guys, today is date night with my boyfriend. I don't want to do something like super crazy, but I just wanted to style my hair a little bit. I just washed it today, so it's like nice and fresh curls. Oh, look at those beauties. So I'm excited, but yeah, I'm gonna do like just a simple hairstyle. I'm thinking something along the lines of a half down. I haven't really decided yet, so we're just gonna go with the flow and see where it takes us. But let's get
starting off with my pintail comb. I'm going to create a side part for this look, and I also like to pull out some of my side pieces just to bring out my curls a little bit more. And now we're going to part my hair into two sections to start the half down look. I like to go in with some water just to dampen the parts that I'm going to lay down. This is honestly all I like to use to make sure that my hair stays nice and sleek. And then going in with my bristle brush to make it nice and flat. I like to go in with two thin hair ties to secure the half down, and then to kind of finish off the look I used a scrunchie, which I thought brought the look together, and I think it just makes it so much cuter. I love scrunchies. I then just sprayed those side pieces with some water and scrunched them up to activate my curls. And lastly, I went with my toothbrush and eco gel to lay down my edges to kind of put the look all together. And I went in with my pintail comb as well, just to give my edges some more precision. I ended up not liking this little piece out, so I just brushed it back and pinned it back with a bobby pin. And here is the final look. I feel like it's perfect for any type of occasion. It's really simple and easy to do. Hope you enjoyed.
All right, the hair is done and I'm ready for my date with my boyfriend. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on this really simple half down look. Thank you guys so much for watching.